Welcome to our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the USD Growling Tigers for beating the UE Lady Warriors 99-42. The Growling Tigers are not Pino. We have Ochai Leong, Yana Pineda, and Career Depth. Coach, congratulations for this victory. What can you say about your team's performance, and with these two players beside you, nag-deliver, what can you say?
First of all, syempre, we're happy. Yung game plan namin, nasunod naman. And happy also for Brianna. This is her breakout game. Hopefully, matuloy-tuloy niya sa susunod na mga laro pa. And kay Karil naman, sumasakit ang ulo ko parate. Okay. She played well, both offense and defense. So yun naman yung sinasabi ko parati sa kanila. Hindi pwedeng magsipag lang sa opensa. So we give importance to our defense also.
Si Karil muna. Karil, you have 11 points on 5-way shooting, 4 rebounds, and 3 steals and plus 38. So yun nga, maganda yung nakita mo today. And syempre, ito, how happy are you na hindi pa kayo natatalo at nadaanan nyo na yung NU na defending champions, so what can you say?
Siyempre, stick lang kami sa sistema namin. Kung ano yung pinapagawa ng coaches namin, siyempre, kailangan namin sundin since maganda yung communication namin. May mga mistake kami sa communication, pero ayun, pagtatrabahoan pa namin para ma-perfect namin. Para ngayong season, mas maganda yung performance na may pakita namin.
Thank you. And to Brianna, yeah, 13 points, 3 assists, 1 rebound, and plus 19. So sabi nga ni Coach, breakout game mo to. So ano yung masasabi mo, pinagkatiwala niya sa iyo yung laro nito para siyempre makuha niyo yung third straight win niyo?
Siyempre, happy ako na nakuha namin yung pangatlong panalo. Yun naman laging sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Heidi na pag pinapasok niya ako, defense, yun lang naman lagi iniisip sa akin. And quality time talaga. Dapat i-enjoy mo lang every moment na nandun ka sa loob. Ibigay mo yung 101%. Yun naman din sinasabi ng mga artists namin na huwag na kayong magtira. Ibigay niyo na lahat. Yes.
Okay, the floor is open for
Coach, siguro yung point differential ninyo ata for the past 3 games combined nasa 100 na siguro. Siguro yung offensa, kitang-kita sa stat na yun, but what does that say about the defense? What did they do the first 3 games?
At the start of the season naman, I gave importance to them na kailangan we focus on our individual and team defense. And I think we want lahat ng opponents namin talagang below their average every time we go against them. So yun naman yung goal namin. And come next week against Ateneo, we will do the same na hopefully maklamp namin yung mga players na kailangan namin.
To the players na natin, as skilled as you two are offensively, shooting, playmaking, how much do you feel have you improved defensively as individuals and as a team so far?
Ako na. Sige na. Kayong dalawa.
Yung depensa nyo na lang, Pep. Yung growth niyo siguro as individuals and as a team on the defensive end.
Ako naman, marami pa talaga akong need i-polish, especially sa defense ko. And ina-adjust pa namin every training. So, happy naman kami na na-apply naman namin during our game.
Sa depensa, syempre. Yun nga yung sabi ni Coach Heidi, masakit yung ulo niya sa akin. Yun naman, lagi kong mindset sa paglaro. Mag-defense ako, siyempre, hindi naman palagi offense. So, ayun. Ngayong start ngayon, nag-defense ako. And hindi pa tapos yung preparation namin. So, ayun, kailangan namin mag-adjust.
Coach, si Ega din naglaro.
Pa-star. Like, kasi siya dun sa ankle niya, so ni-rehab. So, with the coaching staff decided na to rest her na lang para sa next game namin she can play. So,
Coach, yan nga, versus Ateneo, how big of a help lang si Oma to help stop Casey?
Of course, very important si Oma. At least ngayon, we're not undersized na against kay Casey tsaka dun kay Macanjuna. With the help of Oma, at least we can do one-on-one defense against Casey or meron pa rin kami iti-tweet sa depensa. But Oma will be a big help against Casey sa Saturday.
So players, yun nga, ilang panalo na kayo dito sa Q-Pub, pero sa next game nyo naman, sa home naman kayo ng Ateneo maglalaro. Paano nyo lang i-anticipate yung, syempre, may bigger crowd sila doon?
Siyempre, mag-adjust kami since home court nila yun. So, ayun, focus lang kami sa game ko ng sistema ni Coach. Okay na yun. Okay na.
Kailangan lang namin maging consistent. Yan lang.
Coach, last question na. What can you say? Kasi syempre, UE, although they lost to UP, maganda yung pinakita nila, and
Yes.
yun nga, talagang pinupok yun agad. So what can you say na, yun nga, hindi kayo nag-bless ng laurels nyo para makuha nyo yung one-sided win?
Yeah, I said to the girls before the game talaga, we always give respect to our opponents. Wala kaming ititira. And mga basketball players yan eh. If they have that momentum, what they did against UP, mahirapan kami. So I told the girls, umpisa pa lang talaga na gawin namin yung dapat namin gawin to have a good lead para hindi na makabalik yung UP.
Congratulations, Coach Heidi.
Thank you po.
Good afternoon po.